This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T14 Gen 4, Intel one. There's the power adapter. It's the 65-watt USB-C power adapter. Got new packaging, whether that's styrofoam or plastic. It's like a fancy cloth. Anyway, here's the laptop. Okay, I'll go over the ports. So, got the Kensington lock slot, USB-A 3.0. It's the fan slots. That's the smart card reader option. Nothing on the front. That'll just be the privacy switch for the webcam that's in there. A combo audio port, another USB-A. This one is kind of the always-on powered one if you've got a device charging. Not to charge your laptop though. The full-size HDMI and 2 USB-C, and then a full-size Ethernet port there. This one does have the 1200 by 1920 screen, and just the dual mics on the top and the camera. Same kind of feel to keyboard and touchpad. And on the bottom, probably just a reset hole somewhere right there. And this one will have the DDR5 RAM. So kind of the main change over the Gen 3s is that. And that's it.